Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Sorry, brother Orhan. Now I will show you. You just go to Mu'tamers, change packages, and then select all, and then search. Okay, you will see here Mu'tamer serial number, password, passport, Mu'tamer name, blah blah blah, duration. Okay, let's make the page bigger. 100. Okay, now you see duration 15, 21. This is good. This is all change, but have some you did not change. How we can see? We go back to duration and then we press. Okay, we press one time and wait. See, it will come from down to up. These are not changed. You have to change, brother, please. And changing is really easy. Okay, this is the first page. What you have to do, select all, put the date for arrival, and then select the package. Where's the package you have? Please choose your package and then update and then change. That's it. You have done it very well, but you have to finish it all. Please, brother, do as soon as possible. Thank you very much.